Hi guys, Cyatophilum here. I know it has been a while since the last video, but I've been working on a new indicator and this is the tutorial about it. So we'll see how to configure the backtesting and how to automate it on the Binance bots, okay? So let's get started. So the indicator looks like this. It's a long-only strategy. So if you want, you can also use it for shorts, okay? But we're mostly going to talk about longs right here. So the idea to buy is to never sign loss, okay? And we will buy a few times. The indicator will be able to buy a few times and only sell when the total volume is in profits, okay? So it works a bit like a DCA, but it's not really a DCA because it's the entry in fact are based on conditions, unlike DCA. The entry here for this one are based on RSI, stochastic, bottoms, long higher lows, lower lows as well. So that's it for the entries. So what are the risks of the strategy is to stay stuck in a trade, for example in bear market. So if you don't take profits and the price keeps dropping, you will stay stuck in the trade. So in order to not stay stuck in a trade for too long, what we want to do, we want to use filters to remove entries that are have bad chances to end up in a bad trade. So what we want to do is to use the filters built in the strategy. So we got the trend filter. So you can see here it's just an EMA, but you can use almost any kind of trend line if you want. So in this one, I got a combo of EMA and adaptive T-zone, and the T-zone is on 4 hours, and we also use crossover. So we got condition for the trend condition. So I like to use flop change for the trend filter, which is not MTF, and I love to use crossover for the MTF, and also the adaptive T-zone is my favorite trend line for now. And the last filter is the RSI filter that I want to talk about. So this is the third filter I recommend to always use. Okay, so RSI filter, it will prevent to buy at the top. So but that is basically it for the settings. Okay, regarding the strategy, initial capital, what I use right now is 1,000, and for each long signal, as you can see here, it's 100. Okay, and I set a commission of 0.75, which is a Binance commission. Okay, Binance spot trading commission. All right, so that's it for the kind of presentation of the strategy. So I've been running three strategies. So this one, since I've been running it since I think it is let me see, I got it on the bots. I think it's 10 days ago, something like this. So yeah, the first deal was okay on the 16th. So the 16th on the chart, yeah, that it was just before this big trade. So when all the 10 deals get filled, it's a lot of profits. So I started just right here, so I got lucky. And it made a few deals, so you can see the result is on the Binance bot. So you got a deal. So this is the first big deal. Okay. So it was like this, and then I got a few more deals right after. I'm also running Sand. So here is a good example of what you must not do. I did not use the trend line, and then it opened a trade here, and I'm just waiting for the price to climb back up. So yeah, this is why you have to always use a trend filter. I recommend you to use one. And also got Ethereum strategy here. So I've been running it for a little bit more time, so since the beginning of February, right here, and already got a few deals. So can show you on the Binance bots. I have to click on the correct one. So it takes a bit of time to load, but it's because it's using the API. So I'm going to use 30 days 40 days results, since that's when I started the strategy, and it looks like this. So if you compare to TradingView, so it's saying 49 USD of profits. So if I compare with TradingView, if I set the backtest period from when I started it, which is 6th of February, we got something similar, okay? So 46, and the bots 49, okay? So this is pretty close. Now I want to move on. I want to move on to the automations, or to automate a strategy. So here I made a new strategy on item. So let's say I want to create a new bot. I click on create bot. I type the pair, okay? So this is not ATM, this is just item USDT. You have to type quite fast, okay, like this. So as the default quantity for the bot, I want to use 100 and use quote currency, which is USDT. So I want to buy using 100 USDT. If you use base, it will buy using 100 atom, which you don't want, but you could do it. I'll give your bot a name, so atom accumulation, like this. Click save. It will reload the page, and you will find the bot at the top of the list. You click on edit. So you will arrive at the edit page of the bot, and all you need to do, so now you have access to the buy message. You need to copy the buy message, go back to the chart, indicator, you open the settings, you go scroll down until you see this. So I already set the message, but you paste the message here on the long entry. So it will buy. And you do the same thing with the sell 100%. You paste it here, click OK. You make sure the indicator is loaded. Once it has loaded, you can save the chart, create an alert. In the condition you have to use alert function calls only. This is really important. Then you have to set the webhook URL, which is this one. You can click copy. You can copy and go back here, paste. Okay. Then you give a name to your alert. You click create. To check everything is good. So open-ended webhook, alert function only. Click create, and it will appear in the alert tab. So you can see it at the top. It will appear at the top. And that's it. Your bot is running. So that's all there is to do. The trade will be automated. You will be able to find to go back to the chart. So I'm going to save the chart. Save the chart, and you can go back anytime to see how it's going. You can check if the alert is working in the alert logs. So here you can see I already have a few alerts. For example, here I got the Luna USDT sell. I got a sell yesterday, and you can also check. You can also check on the bot page. Okay, so on the main page, you will find bot logs, all the bot logs, so you can quickly see everything that's going on with the bots. And basically that's it. One last thing is that I recommend to use BNB, to have some BNB and use activate the BNB feed, so you will get a discount and you can use a 100% sell. So you must also know that the 100% sale message will sell all of the coin on that you have on your account. I will post in the description how to access the indicator if you haven't. So this is a private indicator, so invite only. You have to pay a small fee to get it, and you also get access to the bots. So for that, you have to go on my website. I put a link. If you have any question, you can leave a comment, or you can also join my Discord server. I will also put the link in the description. And basically, that's it. I will try to make more videos recently. And thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on the Discord and in the comments. Basically, that's it. I hope I did not forget anything. I think we're good. So yeah, see you guys later. Bye.